Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study last minute for biology. First, quickly scan your syllabus or notes to pinpoint the most crucial topics. Don't try to reread everything. Instead, prioritize the big ideas and recurring themes. Think about what your instructor emphasized or what seems to carry the most weight. Dedicate about 60% of your available study time to these core concepts, ensuring you grasp the fundamentals before moving on. This strategic approach maximizes your efficiency when time is short. Next, engage in active recall to solidify your understanding. Instead of passively rereading, quiz yourself using flashcards or by explaining complex biological processes out loud. Try to answer practice questions or review examples from previous exams if available. This method forces your brain to retrieve information, strengthening memory pathways. Dedicate about 25% of your study session to these active recall techniques. It's far more effective than simply looking at notes. Visual aids can be incredibly powerful for biology. Quickly sketch out simple diagrams for intricate processes like cellular respiration or DNA replication. Creating flowcharts helps you see the connections between different concepts. Then, try to summarize each major topic into a single, concise page of notes. This forces you to distill information to its essence. Allocate roughly 10% of your study time to these visual and summarization techniques. They help organize vast amounts of information quickly. Finally, before your exam, give your summarized notes and diagrams one last quick review. Don't cram new information, just reinforce what you've already studied. Crucially, prioritize getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. A well-rested mind performs significantly better than an exhausted one. Dedicate the final 5% of your preparation to a calm, mental run-through of key concepts, trusting your preparation. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.